สวัสดีค่ะ You're tuned to NNT News Update. My name is Ganya Pongpankum. The King Chulalongkorn Memorial Hospital has asked the United Front of Democracy Against Dictatorship or the UDD protesters to retreat from the area in front of the hospital. Medical Dr. Adison Pattaradun stated that intrusions in the hospital by UDD members on Thursday was deemed inappropriate and could exacerbate patients' fear. He said further that the hospital had coordinated with other hospitals to transfer patients, including the details of their symptoms and medical history. Medical Dr. Addison added that the hospital had also dispatched additional medical staff to take care of patients who were transferred to other hospitals in a bid to ensure safety. Meanwhile, the hospital will be responsible for those who do not have enough money to pay for their medical expenses. Chulalongkorn Hospital will send a letter to the UDD court figures demanding them to retreat from the area in front of the hospital to Salasin Junction. Medical Dr. Addison mentioned that the hospital would not be able to resume normal operations by tomorrow and would remain closed for its outpatient services until further notice. Last Thursday, UDD members stormed into the hospital in search for military troops, rumoured to be hiding inside and preparing to disperse the UDD gatherings, causing a large number of patients in the hospital to be urgently transferred. A total of 60 people injured from April violence still remained under medical care in hospitals. According to the latest report released by the Area 1 Emergency Medical Center of the Bangkok Metropolitan Administration, 44 victims of the 10th of April the clash between the troops and the United Front of Democracy Against Dictatorship or the UDD protesters are presently receiving medical treatment in hospitals. 4 patients are in the intensive care unit or the ICU, consisting of 3 at Plamongkut Klao Military Hospital and 1 in Ramanan Hospital. A total of 25 deaths have been reported during the clash. 7 injured patients of the April 22nd grenade attack at Saladang intersection remained hospitalized, one of whom is in the intensive care unit or the ICU. 1 death was reported in the bombing incident. 9 wounded people of the April 28th violence at National Memorial in Don Mueang area are currently receiving medical treatment at the hospitals. 1 patient is still in the intensive care unit or the ICU. A total of 1 death and 18 injuries have been reported during the scuffle. The Prime Minister Abhisit Vejshashiva pledges to improve lives of labour workers in Thailand to honour their contributions in all spheres of societies, particularly to the national economy. The Prime Minister has pledged to highlight the importance of labourers in Thailand by enhancing their quality of life in times of crisis. The government has cooperated with the private sector to postpone unemployment in case of business closed down and extended the time frame for those unemployed to reclaim their welfare money from 180 days to 240 days. The Prime Minister also expressed confidence that the rate of unemployment would decline as of 2010, since the government has prepared to strengthen the welfare system for workers in all dimensions. Successful projects of the previous years were promised to be continued. Furthermore, the government is striving to level up workers' stipendiary as well as skill development and employment readiness for the upcoming future. Hotels in Chiang Mai province of Thailand has adopted a one-price marketing campaign to attract more tourists. After the hotel occupancy rate has decreased by 20% due to the ongoing political crisis, according to Phunat Thanalaupanit, president of the Thai Hotels Association or the THA's Northern Chapter. Mr. Phunat disclosed that the total number of hotel room reservations in Chiang Mai province has reduced by 20%, mainly as a result of the domestic political turmoil. He thus said that the hotels might apply a one-price campaign to attract more tourists to stay and to satisfy their desired room prices. Mr. Phunat continued to state that if the political situation was dragged on for 3 months, the unemployment situation and hotel staff would be severely affected. Mr. Phunat also said that he would coordinate with the hotel operators in the area to draw up the one-price campaign before asking the Tourism Authority of Thailand or the TAT to assist in promoting the campaign during the next high tourist season. Thank you for watching NNT News Update. My name is Ganya Pongpankum. สวัสดีค่ะ